Jojo, come here. Come here and play. You're cute. Do you want some failed sushi? You like crab? I sure don't. Nor do I like fish eggs, but you probably love that shit. Jojo, here. Jojo. Jojo, come here, look. Eat it. Do you like it? It's fish. You should probably love it. Jesus. Zelda, get out of here. We're having a moment. Jojo, please, lick this off. I don't want it. Cosmo, do you want some fish eggs? Here. It's yummy, right? I'm allergic to it. Put it on your face. Jojo, lick it. Too many cats. Gross. Merry Christmas, you little buggers. Eh? Merry Christmas.